see the scenario of exile.
Focus!
Yes. How they are treating their life in the exile. How much hurdles they are facing in the exile. We will going to see in the first scene.
So guys, everyone, are you all excited for our first scene?
Yes!
We will learn everyone how's the doors.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Okay, so with the 1, 2, 3, we start.
Are we good to go?
Yes, sir!
Ready, are we?
Yes, sir!
1, 2, 3, action!
So guys, this scene goes over
Well
here.
done. Now, what does this show? What does this show? What do you have understood?
Yes, sir. So guys, everyone, may I have your attention?
Yes!
So guys, in the previous scene, that what we have seen, that simplicity was speaking volumes, everyone. In the previous scene, they were in the exile of the 12 years, where different characters were playing different roles, everyone. Now guys, we are going to see the continuation scene, in which we are seeing the scene of the heaven. Scene of the
Heaven!
Guys, people loud, scene of the
Heaven!
In this scene,
Hey, my respected lord.
May you live a long life. Did you get the divine weapons?
Not only I get the divine weapon, but I also learn how to use it. Allow me so that I can go back to Earth with your grace, my lord.
But Arjun, you have not yet learned how to use Gandhar weapon.
Yes.
Learn how to use it also.
परंतु भगवान एक योद्धा के लिए नृत्य का क्या प्रयोग? पर यदि आपकी यह इच्छा है तो ये कार्य मैं अवश्य ही करूँगा।
So guys, this scene was over there. So guys, as we have seen that Indrajit has given the divine weapons to Arjuna. Now Miss Pariksha.
So guys, may I have your attention again?
Yes.
So guys, now in this scene, we all going to see that Urvashi will teach us the dance to Arjun, and we will going to see the conversation between the Arjun and the Urvashi. Are we all excited?
Yes. But guys, there is a suspense in this scene. In this scene only you will get to know that why Urvashi has cursed Arjuna. In this scene, Urvashi will be given one curse to Arjuna. So
Arjun, तुम तो इस कला में बड़े निपुण हो गए हो।
एक शिष्य कितनी भी मेहनत कर ले, वह कभी अपने गुरु से आगे नहीं निकल सकता। मैं तो केवल प्रयत्न कर सकता हूँ, और यदि आपको मेरा नृत्य अच्छा लगा तो अर्थात मेरे गुरु को मेरी ओर से लज्जित नहीं होना पड़ेगा।
My name is Urvashi, and after seeing you, I forget everything. Please give me a tight hug. Don't waste the time in meaningless banter. Please give me a tight hug.
If I will be immersed in the arms of my mother, that would be the biggest fortune for me.
क्या तुमने मुझे माते कहा? अप्सरा ना तो किसी की माता होती है, ना ही पत्नी। वह केवल सुंदरता की मूरत होती है, मूरत।
But mother, I can be a good son, but I can't be a man.
मैं उर्वशी तुम्हें श्राप देती हूँ कि तुम सदैव एक पुत्र रहोगे, मर्द कभी नहीं। आज से तुम एक नपुंसक का जीवन व्यतीत करोगे, यह मेरा श्राप है।
So guys, as we have seen in the previous scene that Urvashi cursed Arjuna. So guys, what was the curse basically? That Arjuna did accept her proposal.
एक लड़की को प्यार हो गया अर्जुन से।
Yes sir.
अप्सरा, yes sir.
Yes sir. She was in love with Arjuna. But what did Arjuna say? That you are like my mother and I am like your son. He did accept that proposal.
Certainly.
That's why Urvashi had to give the curse to the Arjuna. He said that you will be remaining the son till your last breath. You won't be becoming dumb men. Now guys, in the narration, Miss Pariksha.
So guys, may I have your attention?
Yes.
Are you connected again?
Yes.
So guys, as we have seen that with Vallabh and and Arjun.
Focus, focus, focus.
And Arjun will become the dance teacher as Urvashi has given in the
ये जो श्राप दिया था, श्राप के कारण.
Sir.
Because of this curse, now Arjuna will be becoming a transgender effeminate.
Yes, sir.
In the process of effemination, he will be teaching Uttara.
Yes,
What?
sir.
What he will be teaching? Dance. और Uttara कल को जाके मादीपुर अर्जुन की ही बहू बनती है.
Yes, sir.
She becomes the daughter-in-law of
Arjuna.
and the wife of Abhimanyu.
Yes, sir.
So guys, everyone, now you are going to see the scenario of Matsya Desh. The scenario of Matsya Desh, where the Raja Virat is living. And in that palatial, what is going to happen that Arjuna is teaching dance to one of our students whose name as Uttara. Whose name is Uttara.
अब तुम करो 1 2 तस्थै तिगादिगिथै आथै तस्थै तिगादिगिथै सिगाथै तिगाथै तिगाथै.
Now guys, what is happening in Matsya Desh that Raja Virat has gone for hunting in the jungle, and this advantage will be taken by the Kauravas. Now the Kauravas will be coming from Hastinapur and they want the land of the Matsya Desh as well. They want the land of the Hastinapur also and of the Matsya Desh as well. Now they will be coming in the Virat's palatial so that they can take that land also. Now we are going to see the screenplay of the war where the Pandavas are fighting with the Kauravas. So
I cannot do the fight because I don't have the army and they are much stronger than me.
You are a warrior and you have to save your country.
Well done.
So for that, you have to fight.
As you wish.
लड़ना ही पड़ेगा.
So guys, everyone, are you all excited? Yes!
Well done. Now the right. Are we good to go?
Yes, sir.
1 2 3 start.
पितामह, आपने ये ध्वनि की आवाज स्वयं ही सुनी होगी. इसका अर्थ यह है कि हमने पांडवों का अज्ञातवास भंग कर दिया है.
दुर्योधन, हम यहाँ पांडवों का अज्ञातवास भंग करने नहीं आए हैं, बल्कि
वाह,
मन से राज्य जीतने आए हैं.
beautiful. लेकिन कृष्ण जी के पास एक और चीज थी। व्हाट ही हैड, नारायणी सेना।
Yes, sir.
बेवकूफ था वो जिसने नारायणी सेना मांगी।
Yes,
Stupid,
sir.
dimwit, cupid. Stupid, dimwit, cupid he was. And who he was?
Yes, sir. So, guys, the Narayani Sena was being taken by the Kauravas, and Krishna ji was being taken by the Pandavas. Now, guys, in the next scene, we are going to see the screenplay of Vidur and Lord Krishna, where Vidur is providing the hospitality, a good and a luxurious hospitality to Lord Krishna. So, are we all excited for this scene, everyone?
ऊंची प्रेम सगाई सब सो ऊंची प्रेम सगाई दुर्योधन के मेवा त्यागे दुर्योधन के मेवा त्यागे साग विदुर घर खाई सब सो ऊंची प्रेम सगाई झूठे फल सबरी के खाए झूठे फल सबरी के खाए बहुत ही स्वाद ऊंची प्रेम सगाई प्रेम के बस नृप सेवा की प्रेम के बस नृप सेवा की आप बने हरि नारी सब सो ऊंची प्रेम सगाई सब ऊंची प्रेम सगाई ऐसी प्रीति बड़ी वृंदावन ऐसी प्रीति बड़ी वृंदावन गोपिन नाच ऐसी प्रीति बड़ी वृंदावन ऐसी प्रीति बड़ी वृंदावन गोपिन नाच नचाई सब सौ ऊंची प्रेम सगाई
छिलके कौन खाता है केले के?
Yes, sir.
But he ate because
he was melted in
Wow.
the love of his
of Vidur's wife, of
Yes,
course.
sir.
वो खिला रही है और वो खा रही है।
Yes, sir.
क्यों खा रहे हो उत्कर्ष? क्योंकि जब प्यार टपकता है, when the affection spreads and mounts, anything can be done.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि हम उस टाइम पे हर औरत को अपनी माँ के समान, we see all the ladies as our mothers.
Yes. Next scene, we are going to see that Lord Krishna is going with a peace proposal to the Kauravas, so that there should be the peace. What he was saying that rather than having a war, why can't we peacefully live our living life? And guys, only there was one demand of Lord Krishna, that he wanted 5 villages for the Pandavas.
अब आ रहे हैं लॉर्ड कृष्णा शांति के लिए।
Yes, sir.
He is coming for the peace proposal. Peace is a necessity, not a choice.
Yes, sir.
शांति एक आवश्यकता है। बच्चा पार्टी, अयन, फोकस। अब आपको दिखेंगे लॉर्ड कृष्णा ऊपर। Gigantic, colossal, mammoth.
Yes, sir. And guys, now let us see that what is going to happen in this scene. We are also going to see the gigantic role of the Lord Krishna. May we have the biggest round of applause.
प्रणाम महाराज।
हे वासुदेव, मेरी ओर से ये स्नेह की छोटी सी भेंट स्वीकार करें।
Thank you, Maharaj, to honor me with this gift. But in return, I cannot give you anything, but I can give you peace. Peace only.
हे वासुदेव, अब आप मुझे यह बताएं कि मेरे प्रिय अनंत पुत्रों ने मेरे लिए क्या प्रस्ताव भेजा?
Maharaj, I have not got anything. I have come here with my own proposal. Or whatever I will be saying.
Guys, I have to start this scene again. Sorry, guys. Once again. Round of applause, everybody.
प्रणाम महाराज।
हे वासुदेव, मेरी ओर से ये स्नेह की छोटी सी भेंट स्वीकार करें।
Thank you, Maharaj, to honor me with this gift. But in return, I cannot give you anything.
Good.
But I can give you peace. Peace only.
हे वासुदेव,
Well done.
मुझे अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें और मेरी राज्य की शोभा बढ़ाएं। हे वासुदेव, अब आप मुझे यह बताएं कि मेरे प्रिय अनंत पुत्रों ने मेरे लिए क्या प्रस्ताव भेजा है?
Maharaj, I have not got anything. I have come here with my own proposal. And my proposal is peace. Now, peace is greater than war.
Wow.
And peace is necessary. If Kauravas or Pandavas will fight together, they will ruin the entire world. But if they amalgamate with their self, they can rule entire world. But if they will fight with each other, neither Kauravas alive nor Pandavas alive. This piece of proposal is not acceptable.
Well done.
पुत्र, बोलने से पहले सोच तो लिया होता।
इसमें सोचना क्या है पितामह? प्रण के अनुसार उन्हें 12 वर्ष का वनवास स्वीकार कर लेना चाहिए था, परंतु वह राज्यों की मांग कर रहे हैं।
बहुत बढ़िया।
परंतु यह तो देखो पुत्र, वासुदेव मित्र की भाषा का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं।
और मित्र की भाषा यह कह रही है कि मैं उन्हें अपना आधा राज्य दे दूं। तो शत्रु की भाषा क्या है? इनके पास कोई और प्रस्ताव है तो मैं उस पर विचार करने की सोच सकता हूँ।
Correct.
Yes. Yes, I have another proposal. If Duryodhan want to keep Indraprastha, then he can. But on the behalf of Pandava, I want to ask 5 villages, only 5. Aristhal, Arkasthal, Makandi, Varnavas, and there is one more. 5 गांव, वो भी उन पांडवों को, मैं उन पांडवों पांडवों को सुई की नोक जितनी भूमि तक नहीं दूंगा।
दुर्योधन, why are you inviting your mom to weep on your cow?
वासुदेव, यदि तुम दूध न रहे होते तो मैं तुम्हारी
दुर्योधन
नहीं बोलने दीजिए पितामह।
यूं मेरी माता श्री के बारे में बात करने पर मैं तुम्हारी जीवा खींच लेता और तुम्हें बंदी बनाकर कार्यक्रम में डाल देता।
उस राजदूत को बंदी बनाओगे जिसके स्वागत के लिए स्वयं भीष्म, कृप और द्रोणाचार्य आए थे। अहंकारी दुर्योधन, यदि तुम मुझे बंदी बनाना चाहते हो अवश्य प्रयत्न करके देखो।
सैनिकों, इस ग्वाले को बंदी बना लो।
ए मूर्ख, ये क्या कर रहा है?
सैनिकों, बंदी बना लो।
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
बेटा सुमित, बैकग्राउंड प्रेजेंट। हम ऊपर वाले से नाराज हो सकते हैं? Can we be upset from the God? Are we in a position to be getting upset from the God? क्या हम कह सकते हैं कि आपने मुझे कुछ नहीं दिया, मैं आपसे कभी बात नहीं करूंगा, कभी पूजा नहीं करूंगा, I will never be worshiping.
Yes, sir.
Are we in a position?
No, sir.
I think yes, or maybe I think no. What is yours?
So thank you, sir, for giving this chance. So, sir, first of all, I want to say that whenever we are worshipping of our God, that point of time, always the God, everyone, always the God seeing us. That point of time, our heart and our God's heart, they God fulfill our part.
फिल्मों में देखते हैं कि हीरो जाता है, कहता है मैं तेरी सीढ़ियां कभी नहीं चढ़ूंगा.
Yes, sir.
So I will never be stepping up your ladder or your stairs.
Sorry, sir.
हमेशा बस इन दीवार. But ultimately when he saw that his mother was dying, Amitabh Bachchan entered in दीवार.
Yes, sir.
कहता है कि मेरी माँ को जीवन दान दे दो.
Yes, sir.
But यहाँ दुर्योधन ने तो बंगला ले लिया.
Yes, sir. So, sir, first of all, I want to say that in this scenario, I have seen many things in the Mahabharata also, in the all over India also. When sir we are seeing the movie of the anyone character, that point of time we are able to see the Krishna, sir, when we say sir gods, everyone worship the gods. Yes, sir. And yes, sir.
Devotee, what?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. When sir we are conducting the Navratris in our house, everyone got sir.
You know they are serving the feet.
Yes, sir. Serving the feet.
Serving the people.
Yes, sir. Serving the feet. That point of time, the kick from the sir God side, they give you a very
दुर्योधन ने गंदा काम किया यहाँ पे.
Yes, sir.
It was a sinful act. Kunal, it was a sinful means पापी act था ये पाप.
Yes, sir.
आदेश.
Yes, sir.
ये पाप दुर्योधन ने क्यों किया?
Yes, sir.
ग्वाला बोला उसको.
Yes,
A
sir.
son of cow.
Yes, sir.
Correct, sir.
Thank you, sir, for giving this wonderful chance. A very positive good evening to each and every present over here. Sir, I totally accord with your viewpoint, sir. And sir, that was very bad. That was very, very dingy, sir. Why I'm saying that, sir?
हिम्मत कैसे हुई?
You are just disrespecting the God, sir. You are just disrespecting your God. And sir, you are just putting your ego on the apex level, sir. The ego will be sabotaged in the future, sir. The respect will be only there,
अभी तो
sir.
कृष्ण जी को बोलना पड़ा कृष्ण अगर मुझे बंदी बना सकता है तो बना के दिखाओ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And sir, Krishna ji uses the sir polite behavior, sir. He just uses the polite behavior. He
Yes,
just
sir.
don't get like families, or he just don't get bonkers at that moment. He just like
अरे कृष्ण जी का मध्य मुड़ एक चक्र काफी है.
yes, sir.
इस चक्र is more than enough.
Yes, sir. As you can see, sir, his smile, sir.
Oh,
The
yeah.
timeless smile, when he
Let me invite the biggest devotee of Srinagar. The biggest, let me invite the biggest devotee of Srinagar. She is the biggest devotee of Lord Kanha. May I invite Miss Sakshi?
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this beautiful chance. Sir, if I talk about Lord Kanha, so sir, he is the superior of all the world. Sir, no one is nothing front of the Kanha ji. And sir, if I talk about like your one question, like when people are upsetting from the like God, so sir, like God doesn't like.
Yes, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Not
Yes, he doesn't pay heed.
Yes,
वो
sir.
नहीं फर्क पड़ता.
Yes, sir, he doesn't pay heed.
देखिए.
If you are not worshipping the God, so why you are trying to make see God that I am not worshipping your? And sir, if I talk about the ego, sir, ego is the biggest.
Yes, sir.
ऊपर वाले से ego.
Yes, sir.
Yes, blasphemy in the world, sir. You are saying you are making
That's right.
pretending the.
What time हो गया?
Yes, sir.
India is God-fearing country, not God-loving country.
Yes, sir.
ये
So,
समझ में आया?
yes, sir.
India is God-fearing country, not God-loving country. हम लोग डर की वजह से
Yes, sir.
जिस दिन दिल से करेंगे उस दिन वीरा पैदा हो जाएगी.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So sir, thank you so much for this again chance, sir. Like ego, it doesn't matter in front of the God. So don't show your ego in front of the animal because
Yes, sir.
God doesn't.
मैं मंदिर की सीढ़ी नहीं चढ़ूंगा.
Very good. In front of the God, so don't become too much egoistic.
माना ना दुर्योधन से.
Yes,
You on the flow.
Yes, sir.
Chलिए, we are having short of time. Thank you, Sumit. Amir, great job. Rajveer, well done. Manish, Abhimanyu. He's playing the role of Abhimanyu. Now, let's have hip hip hooray one more time by Mr. So that we can
Yes, everyone. With me, hip hip. Guys, in different style. With me, hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hooray, hooray. Hooray, hooray. With me, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So guys, are you guys excited?
Yes.
Are you guys connected?
Yes.
So moving forward, as we have seen in the last scene, that Lord Krishna get disrespect from Duryodhan's side. So in the next scene, you will be going to see that Karna will be going towards Lord Krishna to just ask for the apology. Let's see what will be happening in the scene, because Krishna ji will be just opening the eye of Karna, and Krishna ji will be bursting the bubble. Let's see what will be happening in this scene.
Stop, please.
Angraj, I want to know why you have taken the side of Duryodhan. Do you think Duryodhan is a truthful person? You are a penumbra of dharma. So I have a hunch why you have chosen Duryodhan's side.
Truth and untruth has nothing to do with my relationship with Duryodhan. On the basis of love, he is my friend. When every warrior rejected me as I am the charioteer son, he was only the person who accepted me. Years ago, in the assembly of Hastinapur warrior, when I got insulted by Rishi Dronacharya, he was only the person who assisted me by making me the king of Anga. Vasudev, on this earth, only two people are my beloved. First, Duryodhan, and second, my foster mother. Because when my own mother sacrificed me, so that point of time, they were only the person who came in my life as a twig of support.
Have you ever thought about your bond, Angraj?
After knowing the reality, what is my profit in that?
So meaning is that you don't know who you are. I will tell you who you are.
Who I am? Please Krishna, tell me who I am.
आप सत्य सह पाएंगे अंगराज?
अवश्य वासुदेव.
You are the eldest son of Pandava. Your mother is my Bua Kunti, and you are a Surya Putra.
Are you saying that I am not a charioteer son? Are you saying that I am a warrior? वासुदेव, मेरे दुर्भाग्य की रेखा कोई माप सकता है क्या? मैं सूर्य पुत्र कर्ण राधे के नाम से जाना जानता हूँ। यह पूरा संसार मुझे सूर्य पुत्र कहता रहा और मैं सुनता रहा। आपने ऐसा क्यों किया वासुदेव? आपने ऐसा क्यों किया? आपने तो मुझे युद्ध लड़ने से पहले ही हरा दिया।
Angraj, your mother is belong to respected family. She do cry for her sixth son, that is you. Your brother is remembering you. They need your help to win the war. Go and amalgamate yourself with them.
मैं समझता हूँ वासुदेव, परंतु मैं दुर्योधन का ऋणी हूँ। जब किसी ने साथ नहीं दिया, दुर्योधन ने मुझे जमीन से उठाकर आसमान पर खड़ा किया। इस समय मैं उसका साथ नहीं छोड़ सकता वासुदेव। अर्थात मैं कौरवों की साइड से लड़ूंगा। मुझे क्षमा कीजिए वासुदेव।
पश्चिम से सूरज दिल बन जाएगा, किंतु कभी मृत्यु से
Krishna ji tried to make him understand, but Karna choose the loyalty. Karna choose the Duryodhan. He just choose whatever he thinks that is right. But in continuation, you will be seeing that something suspicious going to happen, because now Karna got to know about her real mother. Mother is Kunti and the father is Surya. Surya Dev. So in continuation, Miss Neha will be explaining what will be happening in the next scene.
So guys, are you excited?
Yes!
So guys, now we will be seeing like the mother of Karna come towards Karna and asking for stop the fighting and come towards their brothers. But as we all get know, Karna is a loyal warrior. He never defeats his friend, and he choose the Duryodhana side, like he choose the adharma. So guys, are you excited for this scene? Yes!
दोस्त तो अधर्म की तरफ था, लेकिन दोस्त ने सोचा बेशक मेरा दोस्त अधर्म की तरफ है, but I will choose my friendship.
Yes, sir.
He chose friendship over dharma.
Yes, sir.
गलती हुई, but according to the perception of Karan, he was right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But Miss Neha.
एक और बात आदेश, महाभारत में कोई गलत नहीं था.
Yes, sir.
Nobody was wrong in Bhava.
Yes, sir.
It was just the eye of
Yes, sir.
perception.
True,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. But Miss Neha, I want to add on something. I am not getting a good vibe that Kunti Mata is coming with a good intention. There is something suspicious behind it. Let's see what will be happening in this scene.
प्रणाम देवी। कहिए, ये अधिरथ पुत्र राधे आपकी क्या सेवा कर सकता है?
I have come here for asking something from you.
I know whosoever comes to me asks for something. But before asking, will you introduce yourself? Because the manner in which you ask is not usual. It seems that you are asking for a favor for the first time. If you cannot ask for a favor, do not ask from me. Kindly command me.
No, it is not my right. I can't command you. Your mother, Radha, can do this.
Do you know her?
पूरे भारतवर्ष में कौन तुम्हारी माता को नहीं जानता?
Forget the other. Even I don't know who is my mother. She immersed me in the river Ganga after my birth.
What if she explains her helplessness?
God may become helpless, but a mother can never become helpless.
I know your mother helplessness.
Do you know? How you know?
Yes, I know. Because I am that helpless mother who had sacrificed my first child. Putra, I am that your mother.
You are not my mother, and I am not your son. I am Radhe, the son of Radha. और मुझे पता है, आज भी आपको कोई माँ की ममता नहीं, अवश्य ही कोई आपका स्वार्थ खींच कर रहा है।
पुत्र, ऐसा ना कहो पुत्र, ऐसा ना कहो। तुम तो दानवीर कर्ण हो, इतने भी कठोर न बनो पुत्र। क्षमा करो पुत्र, मुझे क्षमा करो।
Don't say me पुत्र. I am not your son. I am only Charioteer's son. And when the world was insulting me,
Good.
you remained quiet.
Nice, sir.
Now, what you want from your sacrificed son?
Now, you got to know that you are Kaunte. It is not right that you are fighting with your own brothers. Come along with me. Come along the side of your brother. They will embrace you. You are the first child of mine. You will rule the entire world.
मैं यह नहीं कर सकता, परंतु मैं आपको एक वचन अवश्य देता हूँ। आपके 5 पुत्र हैं, जो कि युद्ध के पश्चात भी 5 रहेंगे। यदि मैं वीर गति को प्राप्त हुआ या अर्जुन वीर गति को प्राप्त हुआ, तो भी आपके पुत्रों की संख्या में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं आएगा। मुझे क्षमा कीजिए माते।
सदा ही पुत्र सदा ही
Now we will be sing like Samay. Samay come and
Hang
hear.
on. Sir, hang on. Now what मैंने बोला? What did I say? Now what? Now what का मतलब होता है that the anger will be proceeding. But you decided that Miss Neha will be speaking. It was their plan. Are they for solutions? मैंने नहीं बोला कि now what Mr. Adesh. Now what means Angel will take the charge.
So guys, are we guys excited?
Yes.
So guys, as we have seen, the Mata Kunti, she was in the Menalkoni situation. She was not able to understand that what is happening. And Karan also don't accept Mata Kunti. And at the last we have seen that Karan gave an oath to Mata Kunti that her son will be not getting any kind of situation in his life. But he also gave a thing to Mata Kunti that he will be having only and only fight with Arjun, because Arjun was his competitor from the birth. So in continuation, we will be going to see something very suspicious, something very, very important in this Mahabharata. That there will be an entry of Brahmin. Brahmin who will be coming to ask something from Danveer Kan. As we all know that the Kan is a Danveer. He can give anything at any point of time to anyone.
Very good, Adesh.
Let's see who is that Brahmin. Is the Brahmin is the only Brahmin, or someone else behind the face of Brahmin?
Disguise face.
Yes, sir.
प्रणाम ब्राह्मण देव.
Ayushman Bhava Putra.
Don't give me blessing. Give me order.
Like other Brahmins, I am not here to ask money from you.
So what? If you are here to want something from me, I will definitely give you. Tell me what you want.
मैं जो तुमसे मांगने जा रहा हूँ, शायद तुम ना दे पाओ. मुझे तुमसे तुम्हारा कवच और कुंडल चाहिए.
Hey my lord, these two things are the part of my body. You may ask for another weapon, please.
Good.
No, I don't want your any weapon. I want your protection shield. Why this second salutation?
First salutation was for the saint, and the second salutation is for Devraj Indra.
Karan, it is not possible for Supreme Lord Brahma to create a person like you. Surya Dev has already told you that I am coming. He has also told you that what I am gonna ask from you. But you didn't show your back. You kept on facing the moment. Not only you faced the moment, but also you defeated it. Ask for a boon, my child. Ask for a boon. Indra won't refuse you.
You don't get worried. I know about this thing, why you are asking about my protecting shield. But I'm locked in an oath. But you have asked me at what time, where I cannot deny you. के पश्चात कुछ मांग लेना उचित नहीं है महाराज। यदि मैंने कुछ मांग लिया तो मेरे देने का अर्थ निष्फल हो जाएगा। परंतु यदि आप कुछ देना चाहते हैं तो मुझे शक्ति दीजिए महाराज।
Towards the Karn. Why he take the protecting shield? Do you know?
No.
So guys, his son is Karn. His son is Karn. That is the only reason. He just wanted to save his son. And as we have seen in the Mahabharata time also, the father saved his son. And now also the father are the only savior who save his son. So from this we got to know about that what is the importance of your father in your life. I hope
इंद्रदेव ने आकर क्यों निकाला कवच? सूर्यदेव नहीं आए थे, इंद्रदेव के।
Yes, sir.
Why? थोड़ी कंफ्यूजन हो गई। Why? Come on, Akansha.
So guys, everyone, may I have your attention?
एक बाप हो गया स्वार्थी।
Yes, sir. Guys, Indradev is the father of Arjun, and in the love of his son, he asked for the protecting shield because he
Yes.
want that his child will be winning in the war. So, for saving his child, for saving the Arjun, he takes the protecting shield because he very well knows that Karn is the only one who can defeat the Arjun.
Very good.
So,
उसका और बोला नहीं था।
yes, for saving the Arjun, he do this ploy. So, big hand for the Indradev. Come on,
Let's proceed the anchors. Now which anchor will proceed? Attack!
So guys, here we will be going towards the next part. In this scene, you will be going to see the most cardinal, important, quintessential, cardinal thing of the Mahabharata, the Samay. Samay is the most important part of Mahabharata, Ramayana, everywhere because it's important. The Samay can go in the past, the Samay can go in the future. So let's see what Samay.
Let's get started. Are we good to go?
Yes, sir.
समय ही है जो जिंदगी का चक्कर चलाता है। The process of life is governed by समय। 1, 2, 3. Learn to edit by request to all the anchors. तुम 50 बोलते हो, सीखो 10 में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं। 1, 2, 3, stop. Ready? Attack.
हस्तिनापुर नरेश राजा शांतनु के कार्यकाल का जो रणभूमि थी वह कार्य पूरा होने वाला है। स्वयं नारायण अर्जुन को संबोधित कर रहे हैं और अर्जुन का प्रश्न केवल अर्जुन के लिए आवश्यक नहीं है अपितु आने वाले कल के लिए यह आवश्यक है। मैं समय हूँ, तो चलिए मेरे साथ साथ नारायण की वाणी सुनते हैं। मैं समय
Clapping everyone for Samay. Come on, everyone. So everyone, from there I can get energy. Are you ready now? Yes. What nonsense? Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. So guys, everyone,
हे केशव, हे केशव,
बोलो पार्थ।
he is my Takshi. That is said Dronacharya, who gave me knowledge, who taught me everything that I knew. And how can I kill him? My hands, which hold the bow, now became numb. My body trembles a lot, more than it did in the winter. And how can I kill that person to whom I have given the respect, the honor? I cannot create Kurukshetra into my family cemetery.
जन्म लेने वाले को एक ना एक दिन तो मरना ही है, और जो निश्चित है उसका शोक क्यों? जन्म लेने वाला आज नहीं तो कल मरेगा ही, परंतु मृत्यु भी अंत नहीं है पार्थ। मृत्यु के बाद वह दोबारा जन्म लेंगे, और यही एक अटल सत्य है, इसे ना मैं बदल सकता हूँ, ना तुम, ना कोई और।
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्म फल हेतुर्भूः मा ते संगोऽस्त्वा कर्मणि।
परंतु केशव, फल का ज्ञान ही तो हमसे कर्म करवाता है, और यदि दृष्टि फल से ही हट जाए तो कोई यदि कर्म करेगा ही क्यों?
कोई कर्म इसलिए करेगा पार्थ क्योंकि कर्म के बिना यह जीवन असंभव है। तुम एक सर्वश्रेष्ठ धनुधर हो, परंतु तुम्हारा निशाना तनिक भी इधर उधर हो जाए तो तुम चूक जाओगे पार्थ। तुम्हारा अधिकार तुम्हारे बाण पर है, तुम्हारा अधिकार तुम्हारी दृष्टि पर है, परंतु तुम्हारा अधिकार उस मृग पर नहीं है पार्थ।
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे।
हाँ पार्थ, मैं आता हूँ। जब जब धन की हानि होती है तब तब मैं आता हूँ, जब जब अधम मरता है तब तब मैं आता हूँ। दुष्टों का विनाश करने मैं आता हूँ, लोगों की रक्षा करने मैं आता हूँ, और युग युग में जन्म लेता हूँ पार्थ।
कृपया अपने असली रूप में आ जाएं।
So guys, in this scene we have seen that our beloved Arjun is feeling demotivated. Guys, do you know what? Why? Because in front of him
उन्हें सहारा दिया
Yes, sir.
कि मृत्यु तो सिर्फ एक छलावा है।
Yes, sir.
Fallacy.
Yes, sir. And Lord Krishna gave so many life lessons to Arjun. Now, guys, Arjun is fully prepared with his mindset. He is fully prepared with his skills. Now he is ready for the war. So, are you all excited for the war? Yes. Now, guys.
कौन सी war? Which war, Nansha?
Yes. So, guys, as we have seen that in the previous scenes, that in the love of his son, the king Dhritarashtra set the stage on the fire, and also the prince Duryodhan, in his arrogance, in his ego, in his pride, he also set the stage on the fire. But guys, there is one more reason, that Draupadi, because Draupadi also loved. Guys, there are so many reasons because of that the war will be happening.
चलिए,
Now,
let's get
guys-
started. Are we good to go?
Yes, sir.
Draupadi के केश, the hair of Draupadi,
Yes, sir.
who will tie?
Yes, sir. The hairs of Draupadi will be tied by the king because he will fulfilling the oath. But guys, before that, we are having the scene of war. So are you all excited to see? Yes.
राष्ट्री,
मुझे माफ कर दीजिए पितामह, मुझे माफ कर दीजिए।
मैं अभी मरा नहीं हूँ पुत्र, मैं इस युद्ध के परिणाम के पश्चात ही प्राण डालूंगा।
let me tell you how Abhimanyu got you to know that how we have to enter in a Chakravyuh, guys. When Abhimanyu when he was in his mother's womb, at that point of time, his father was telling a story to his mother that how we have to enter in a Chakravyuh. But when his father was telling that how to came out the Chakravyuh, at that point of time, Abhimanyu's mother got at that point of time, Abhimanyu's mother got slapped, and that's why he didn't hear that he didn't.
Yes, no. So guys, now in this continuation, you will be seeing very spooky scene, guys. The war
answer. So guys, man, get you on?
Yes.
So guys, in the continuation, you all are going to see the fight between Dushasan and Bhim. Guys, as you have seen in the game that Bhim has taken one note that I will be breaking the chest of Dushasan and I will be drinking the blood. Now we will be seeing in this scene only will he able to complete his oath or not. So guys,
दुशासन इतना दूर खड़ा हो गए बाण क्या चला रहा है कायर? अगर हिम्मत है तो पास में आ जिससे कि तेरा लहू उड़कर मुझ तक आए और मेरा लहू उड़कर तुझ तक जाए।
प्रिय भीम, वो तो आज वक्त ही बताएगा कि कौन आज मृत्यु लोक को प्राप्त होगा। आज इस रणभूमि में या तो मेरे शव आएंगे या फिर तेरे।
आज मेरा बदला पूरा हुआ। मैंने द्रौपदी का बदला ले लिया है।
So guys, this scene was over here.
He's dying. He's dying. He's taking his last breath. Last breath.
आज तो मैंने अपना हाथ बदला, इसे वापिस ले लिया है। पूर्वजों, मैंने द्रौपदी के अपमान का बदला ले लिया है।
One last bullet. So guys, as you have seen that Bhim has completed his oath, but guys, Draupadi's oath has left. She also have taken one oath that I will be washing my hair with the blood of Dushasana. Now it's a time to complete the oath of Draupadi. Let's see how she will be washing her hair with the blood of Dushasana. So guys, are you excited?
Yeah.
द्रौपदी, द्रौपदी, अरे द्रौपदी।
आप?
हाँ मैं। देखो, उस दुशासन ने तुम्हारे बालों को छुआ था ना, तो उसकी छाती चीरकर लहू ले गया है द्रौपदी।
ऐसी
आपने मेरा बदला पूरा किया है। Now I will braid my hair. Because of the Shashan only, I didn't braid my hair. He disrespected me in front of assembly. All the sundry, they were making the love of mine. But today, Swami, you have fulfilled my dream, Swami. between Khan and Arjun. The war between Khan and Arjun. And guys, Arjun and Khan take an oath that he will be doing a fighting only with the Arjun. Only with the Arjun. So are you excited?
Yes, so guys, in the continuation, you are going to see the fight between Karna and Arjun. And guys, in previous
Biggest fight between Karna and Arjun.
guys, fight between Karna and Arjun. And guys, in previous scene, you have seen that one Brahmin has taken the Raksa Kavach of Karna. Now, we will be seeing in this scene that how Karna will be saving himself without the Raksa Kavach. Is he having a power to save? Is he not having a power to save? So guys, are you excited?
Hey Arjun, my wheel has stuck in the earth. I am going to repair it. Please stop your arrow for a while. According to the rules, it's not allowed. Protocols के अनुसार ये allowed नहीं था. When somebody is out of the chariot, you cannot board, raise the board. आप weapon नहीं इस्तेमाल कर सकते. But Lord Krishna is Lord Krishna was Lord Krishna. Son.
तीन चलाओ पार
जो आ गया केशव। परंतु केशव, I am on chariot and he is on foot.
It doesn't matter, Parth. Have you forgotten that day? That day he has called Draupadi as a prostitute.
याद है कैसे अभिमन्यु को?
Did you remember how he has killed Abhimanyu? And now, in the war, there is no blood ties. He is your enemy. Kill him!
मैं संधि कर अपने मित्र राधे की निष्ठा, अपने प्रिय अनुज दुशासन के प्रेम और गुरु द्रोणाचार्य की मृत्यु और पितामह के अनगिनत घावों का अपमान नहीं कर सकता। और मैं ये नहीं चाहता कि आने वाला युग आपको कायर दुर्योधन की माता से जाने। इसलिए मैं चाहता हूं कि आप मुझे विजय श्री का आशीर्वाद दे माता श्री।
No, my son. No. I cannot give you that blessing. I have lost all my 99 sons. And only you are left. Then how I can give you that blessing, Duryodhan? But I can protect you. And for that, you have to go and bath in the holy water of Ganges. But you have to come back from that water same as you were born.
जैसी आपकी आज्ञा माता श्री।
प्रणाम माता गांधारी।
आओ मधुसूदन, आओ गिरधारी। क्या मैं तुम्हें देवकी नंदन कहूँ?
I will respond at whatever name you have called me.
Did you remember what happened 17 days ago? I was a mother of 100 sons, but today I am left with only one, an innumerable corpse. I was so much attached with my sons, and you have snatched everything for me.
Yes, there was a cock amongst the cock, but there was a cock of the one warrior who was the eldest son of Pandava.
क्या? युधिष्ठिर?
No, mother, you don't know. That's why I have came here to make you understand. He was the son of eldest Pandava. His name is Radhe. He has sacrificed himself for Duryodhan. He knew that he is the eldest son of Pandava. Still, he fought for Duryodhan.
तुम एक माँ का दर्द नहीं समझ सकते। After winning Dwarka, go and ask from Devki that what is the pain a mother goes through after she loses all her sons. I cannot feel this pain. Or also ask from her that why I curse you today. You could have stopped the war, but you didn't do that, Krishna.
अगर आप चाहते तो यह फटाम।
Yes, I could have stopped the war, but the war is necessary.
आज मैं गांधारी शिव भक्त तुम्हें ये श्राप देती हूँ, जैसे मेरे वंश का सर्वनाश हुआ है, वैसे ही तुम्हारे यदुवंश का भी सर्वनाश होगा। यह मेरा श्राप है।
I have come here for taking your blessing, but now you have cursed me, so I am not able to take your blessing. मुझे आदेश दीजिए गांधारी माता।
Now guys, 20-second pause over here. Now you are going to.
No applause, no applause.
now guys, you are seeing that Krishna ji will be meeting with Duryodhana and they will be suggesting one thing. So guys, focus on this.
Very good, very good in the continuation. Sana,
Yes, sir.
attack! कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
Duryodhan, where are you going? And where is your cloth? It seems to be looking. You are going towards your mother. You are a grown-up child. You should have thought that should I wear the attire or not? You are a grown-up child, as I have mentioned. Will you go in this status?
Yes, it was my mother's order.
Go, go.
माता श्री, मैं स्नान करके आ गया हूँ.
Stand before me, my son.
As your wish, mother.
Today, I am going to do that thing that I have never done in the past. I have never seen my 99 sons, but today I will be seeing you, Duryodhan. मैंने तुम्हें निर्वस्त्र होने के लिए कहा था. Your that part will remain weak, which you have hidden from me, and else you will strongly.
In front of you.
मैंने तुम्हें जन्म दिया है और तुम ये भी नहीं कर पाए. इसीलिए the thing that you have hidden from me, that will only remain weak, and everything will be becoming strong as an iron, Duryodhan.
लेकिन माते, युद्ध में गदा नीचे मारना निश्चित नहीं है.
दुर्योधन, तुम नहीं जानते कि जो मैंने तुम्हें आज वरदान दिया है उसकी क्या कीमत है. मैंने आज तक अपने बाकी पुत्रों को नहीं देखा और आज अगर मैं तुम्हें अच्छी तरह देख लेती तो तुम बहुत ही शक्तिशाली बन जाते.
So guys, this scene cuts over. Yes, so guys, now in the next scene you are going to see the scenario fight between Duryodhan and Bhim. Guys, as you remember that Bhim has taken one oath that I will be breaking the lap of Duryodhana.
Yes,
now
sir.
it's a time to complete the oath. We will be seeing that how the Bhim will be breaking the lap of Duryodhana. Will he able to complete his oath or not? We will be seeing this scene in this scene. Guys, are you excited?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
You are huge round of applause.
Come on, everyone.
दुर्योधन, तू आ गया है? हाँ भीम, तुम्हारी मौत निश्चित है आज. वो तो देखा जाएगा. दिखाते हैं.
Well done.
कि ये दुर्योधन की मर्यादाओं का उल्लंघन कर चुका है। पांडवों के सपोज पर बैठने के लिए आमंत्रित किया था।
दुर्योधन, क्या कहा था कि मैं बदला नहीं ले पाऊंगा? आज तुमसे भी बदला ले लिया। हा, 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 हा। आज मेरी प्रतिज्ञा पूरी हो गई है।
अंतिम पल में अकेला छोड़ दो।
यही इसका
यही इसका प्रायश्चित है।
आओ बच्चों आओ, जो नहीं देखना था वह भी देख लिया, जो देखने के लिए जीवित था वह भी देख लिया। हे आकाश, मेरे देश को धूप, छाव और वर्षा की कभी ना रहे, और इसकी राजनीति पर कभी सूर्य ग्रहण ना रहे।
जो इस वर्ष को देख रहे हैं वो धन्य हैं, जो इस चंद्र को देख रहे हैं वो भी धन्य हैं।
आर्थिक और सामाजिक रोगों के लिए अपने अतीत को उत्तरदायी ठहराने से यदि अतीत ने तुम्हें एक निर्बल आर्थिक और सामाजिक ढांचा दिया है तो उसे सुधारो, उसे बदलो, क्योंकि अतीत तो यूं भी वर्तमान की कसौटी पर कभी खरा नहीं। यदि अतीत स्वस्थ, देश की सीमा, माता के वस्त्र, उसके जलाशय स्वस्थ और जीवित रहे, उसकी राजनीति के सूर्य को कभी ग्रहण न लगे, कभी ग्रहण न लगे।
जो नश्वर के अनश्वर होने का दृश्य